Hi, everyone. Lately, I've been hearing a lot of buzz about Ideogram. People say it's fast, powerful, and great at generating text and images. So I decided to put it to the test and compare it directly with ChatGPT's image generation capabilities. I started with a simple prompt, a modern tech poster with the text Future Creators Club. One cool feature in Ideogram is that you can actually choose the output format before generating, something that's currently not available in ChatGPT. After hitting generate, the first thing I noticed, Ideogram is incredibly fast. It delivered 4 examples almost instantly, and the text came out clean and accurate. No weird distortions. Now, let's try a more complex prompt. I asked both tools to generate a Nike campaign-style poster featuring a shoe in motion. Ideogram once again impressed with speed and style, though there were small quirks, like missing or distorted letters on the shoe. Still, visually strong. ChatGPT took a little more time, but honestly, the final result was stunning. Clean design, great lighting, and overall a more polished look. Personally, I prefer the ChatGPT output, but I'd love to hear what you think. Which one looks better to you? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more creative AI content.